What? What's up, everybody? Superman Gamer here, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Yeah. Let's get into it. If it would. In what year did Don't Press the Button? It got created in 2018. Better luck next time. I know. I'm way taller than everyone. Look at this. Cause I'm totally that tall in real life. Collect the diamonds before. Let my stuff load in. Okay, we're back and uploaded in. Get to the end of the road while traffic is green or yellow. If you move red, okay. Green right, left right. Green light. Ah! Yellow light. Ha! They all die, dumbies. Green light. Yellow right, stop. I died. Dang it. I'm a dummy. I just got karma there. I'm gonna stop when it's still green light. Do we have a time limit? Yeah, we do. This is some Squid Game stuff. Will I get in trouble? I don't know. I'll press it first. Diamond boy. Oh, he got it. Doges. Yeah, there's still one left. Keep it alive, guys. Linda is a seeker. I'm just running. I'm just going. Mom. Just run. Can't go there. So just run. Just keep running. Just don't stop running. I heard someone die. Run. And keep running. Maybe I should stay here. Oh. Please don't find me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we did it. Oh, the house about to go boom. Yeah.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage. The button has disappeared. Oh, we have to find the button. Without falling off the edge, of course. I see it. Give me that button. Yeah. I pressed the button. Because I'm doing good, guys. Don't fall in the lava. Jump. Jump. Ooh. Jump. Ooh. Ah. I died. I was doing pretty good though. Everyone's going left, so I'm gonna go right. Everyone's going right, so I'm gonna go left. Why is everyone following me? Okay, they're all coming this way, so I'm gonna go this way. Go, stop. Right? He's going right, so I'm gonna go left. That's a dead end. Right? Oh, they got the dark. Ah, I was so close. Escape the burning building. Where am I supposed to go? Ah. Oh. Run. Just keep running. Jump. Jump. Don't die. Don't burn. You got this. I don't know where to go. I'm not good. Oh, the window's broke. I didn't know that. No one survived. I already got the diamond that fast. Why is everyone following me? They're just trying to get me found. I don't know who that is. I got 9 and 11. What? This is called Roblox. Everybody, take your shot. Speed coil. They quit then. What? What do you mean? Now I got a speed coil. I can run a little faster now. Down. 2, 1. Get ready. Stay away from red platforms. I went on them immediately. I'm suck. I suck. Push people off with the table. Uh-oh. Come here, boy. Jump! Ha, boy! Yeah. That was a mistake, boy. I'm stuck in this position. Alright, there. It's in the cave. Run, run, run. This way, this way, this way. See you this way. How is it done? This way, left, dead end. Ooh. Must look like these alleys. Green. Come on, Green, don't let me down. Yes, thank you, Green. Come on, Red, don't let me down. Please, Red, don't let me down. Yes, thank you, Red. I'll trust you this time, Yellow. Come on, Yellow, don't let me down. Come on, Yellow, don't do this to me. They did it to... Time's up. I mean, it's a great job on survive. I didn't survive, though. Noobs? What are they? Oh, let's go get pooped out. Going on slap. We're getting eaten. I don't want. I don't want. It's a treadmill for me. I'm too. I probably shouldn't do that if I'm gonna die. I might as well just go down it. Just. It was too late. Alright, we'll do one more. The pizza delivery. Deliver box pizza. Green. Green, 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 green. Knock, knock. We'll do one more. Oh yeah, there's 10 seconds now. Look, this guy's the same height as me. Yeah. 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 This two, all seven men. I have no how there's one rings, 4 rings, 5, 6. Yes, I think I enjoyed and liked, and